Hi friends, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter. It is here. This is Tonic Craft Kit number 36. I'm going to open this box with you so that we can see what is inside. I want to let you know that I've already just opened it and removed the plastic. So when you do receive a Tonic Craft Kit, everything is definitely in its own little plastic baggie like these, and then you can open them up. But this one is the Christmas box, which is why I'm so excited to see what's inside. This is called, in fact, here's a little card, the Nordic Diamond Bauble Box, and it's a really darling little collection here. But first I'm going to show you the little card here. This is a card showing you the newest release, which I've also shown on this channel. In fact, I can link that video below if you're interested in the Rustic Rose collection. I also have a link tree on this video with all of the items that you can get right now from Tonic Studios from this collection. They're absolutely stunning. And on the back, you get a little sneaky peeky, and that is October 20th, the new release of this little gift box die set, which will be perfect for any spring, Mother's Day, Easter, little gifts that you may have in mind. And of course, you can use them all year round because you don't have to use the inlay pieces. You can use any paper from your stash to make these little boxes. So that's a little sneaky peeky there. Now let's get to what's inside this box. And those are here, Craft Perfect washi tape. These are different tapes that you can use. Of course, I will probably end up using them on my cutting mat, to be completely honest. But here is a little plaid, gingham, and a solid pink color. Very pretty. Then there are here some glitters. So there's olive green and antique copper. These are absolutely beautiful. I can picture them for a nice little Christmas scene, maybe some trees, Christmas trees and that sort of thing. That would be really pretty for that. Then there is glacier paste. This is beautiful, and this is called Golden Era. How beautiful is that color there? It's kind of just a very classic gold, very pretty. Then there is a glitter accent drop from Nuvo. These are absolutely stunning, and this one happens to be an Aztec gold. Again, perfect for those Christmas colors that you may be using. And here is a glitter drop, and this one is in honey gold. Now you may see some cloudiness there, and that's because my FedEx delivery came and was out overnight without my knowledge. So I'm hoping that this can still be saved, but I'm looking forward to seeing what that color will look like. There's also a Nuvo Aqua Shimmer pen. This is a water-based pen, and this also has glitter in it, or shimmer, of course. So this one is Blush Rosette, and it is a rose gold color. I cannot wait to see what that looks like. I can imagine it's going to be absolutely stunning. Also, here is the die set with the stamps, and underneath are the papers. So let's go through this one first. The Tonic Craft Kits come usually in the brown folder you're going to see inside, but every 3 months you do get a nice folder like this, so that way you can keep them all in one place, nice and tidy. So I think that's really nice. So here is the Craft Kit stamp and dies. Here are the stamps, and I'm going to hope to be able to show you these without any glare. But they're perfect for the little labels that you're going to see. And they do say Winter, Merry Christmas, Wishes, Cheer. There are 2 different snowflakes, a little star, a heart, joy, peace. Love, peace, joy. The word joy. The words to and from, and then the little lines where you can sign in someone's name. And then this one says merry and bright with little stars. So you can definitely see there's a little star here to match these, little snowflakes to match the Christmas themes. You can make little cards with these. In fact, if you like to make little 3x3 note cards, this would be perfect for that. So aside from that, here are the dies. And let me take them out so that you can see them. The dies here will make a gift box, as is pictured right here. So that's what you'll be able to make. And as you can tell, there's the foundation, there's the inlay pieces. And what's unique about these dies is that they spare no expense in filling up the space, is what I think about Tonic Studios. For instance, you're going to get not only this little round label, but you also get the oval label and then this little one that will have layering pieces. The layering pieces are these here. This one says Noel, this one says love, this one here says joy, and the other one says peace. So you could use those separately or with the gift box. Then they will fit in this little space here, but the other items that layer on top are just absolutely stunning. It's full of detail, and you can see all the little snowflakes. You can see the little branches, a bauble here, little snowflakes, and then there's a star down here. On the other pieces here, here's more detail. All of those little Christmas ornaments. And then over here, I thought this was really darling. The little deer, you can see the little reindeer and the trees. And if you see that opening there, that means that's going to emboss right into your paper. So just lovely little details that you might not see elsewhere. And then these little layering pieces, look at how tiny that little deer is. Itty bitty. And then there's the tree and then the Christmas ornaments. So that's what's unique, I would say, about the Tonic Studios products, is that you're going to get a lot of beautiful detail in everything that you cut out. And here's a sticker. Love, peace, joy. How beautiful is that? So with every kit you do collectible sticker, I should say. So these, of course, will fit right back in here. But now let's look at the papers, because you get some gorgeous papers to stare at them. But let's look at what's inside. These papers here are perfect for, of course, building these little boxes. So the first one is just a 8.5 by 11 classic cardstock. This is in a linen type of weave, but this is called Tan Brown Classic Card. And it does have a little bit of shine there. Maybe that came off of something else, or I don't know if they made it with shine this time. But then it's just plain on the back. Look at this color here. Wow, wow, wow. Very stunning. This is called Firestone Red, and it is an iridescent mirror card. So you can tell it's going to shine for days there. The next one is Pearlescent Card in Red Velvet. So this is another classic card from Tonic Studios. Absolutely beautiful. The next one here is a specialty card in Golden Satin. Now, one thing about specialty card is not only are they absolutely stunning, but they are longer. They're 8 to a pack versus 10, but they are in an A4 size. So you do get quite a bit of value for your money when you order them separately. And that is just absolutely beautiful. I can picture it like a winter wedding card made with that. Here's this one also, and this is a specialty card in Crimson Silk. It is just gorgeous. I wish you could feel this. Absolutely beautiful. And then on the back, it's just no color or white base, but you could definitely alter that with any of the pastes or anything like that if you wanted to. This one here is a mirror card in Honey Gold. Gorgeous gold color. And very classic looking, and it's a nice weight too. So not all of the papers are the same weight. The specialty cards are thicker. Here is a handmade paper, specialty paper called Ruby Gemstone. And look at how beautiful that is. It reminds me of the ruby slippers from Wizard of Oz. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then last but not least, here is a Welsh Gold glitter card. Spectacular glitter cardstock that does not flake, and it is almost in a deeper gold. This is not the bright yellow gold that you see most of the time. So just spectacular. That is the craft kit number 36. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I do have affiliate links down below if you want to support my channel. I would truly appreciate it. You can get your hands on craft kits like these. Now, these are only available for 1 month. You do receive them the month after you order them. So this one's already sold out. The next one that you order will be the one that you receive in January and will be brand new. But of course, if you want to go ahead and see the release, they do have release videos on tonicstudios.com, on the Facebook page, and the lovely, lovely ladies that create for Tonic Studios. They always have beautiful samples, and those are the ones that you always see featured in the pictures too. So If you, if you use my links, I'd appreciate it. I hope they have a beautiful day, that you can be inspired and be blessed. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.